mostly is educational applications. But they said it's, I can use Gmail or Google Docs. All this stuff is, and like in the SUS tech, it has open office. And the model is I can use a Web 2.0, cloud computing model where the application sits on a server, and I can have a very simple notebook. Right? That's what they learned from the OLPC. So people gauge the success of the OLPC from how many units did they sell. We were just visiting with Ted. That's why we're a couple minutes late. We were just visiting. But that's not what they learned if you talk to Ted. And it's sort of in the case, right? I mean, that's what they really learned. Okay, so their benefit really comes from that. By the way, has anybody seen the Acer Aspire 1? Nice machine, right? You know who makes it? Quanta. You think they learned anything? Yeah, it's pretty interesting. It's pretty interesting. So, the model is really, I'm going to go from this integrated model, notebook with Office and other software, to a web application model where I have this thing. And, in the case of the OLPC, it's all, different educational server things. There are a few that are on there, but most of them are connected over the network. New model, very predictable from a modularity standpoint. That's what I've learned. So, let me show you a video. Hopefully this works. I know it won't work from there, so we're going to go to the. This was my class at Harvard. Okay. Oops. Stop. Okay, this is Ted Chong. Microsoft Windows. This looks really bad. Okay.
Nothing to do with the window.
This is operator error. Right. This is operator error. Okay. Now volume. Oh, here we go. Okay, good. All right. So I'm just, I'm just going to go to the interesting part of the class. All right. So Ted comes to the class, and he then.
I think that's and mobile solutions. The first one stands for enterprise solutions. So we make server, all kind of server. We make storage. We make a brace server. We have network switch. We have IP telephony. So this is our new category.
Okay, now he was lecturing for a while, so then I interrupted.
Because when you are not for entertainment, we make LCD TV. We make the media server. We make the media gateway. We also make a set-top box.
Not bad for a company that's only like 15 years old.
We make all the laptops for Apple, including the Mac Air, just announced. And we make iPod Touch.
Okay, so I interrupted his lecture and say, so Ted, you didn't hear it from the side because he was wearing the microphone. It's like, so Ted, tell us some products that you make. Okay, so he said we make the MacBook Air. All the Macs for Apple. You make all the Macs for Apple.
Yes.
Yeah. And he says basically yes.
All the models.
Yeah.
And also the iMac, the desktop, and we only have few customers, but basically they are the 10-based brands in IT sectors. We make laptop computer or brace servers. We make laptop computers for Dell, and we make brace server for Dell as well, and we make laptops for HP, Acer, NTHU, and yes. That's a very good.
Okay, so a student asked the question, but Apple says they design everything, right? So what do you actually do when because if you look on if you look on the bottom of your Mac, it says designed in California and manufactured in China. Here's Ted's answer.
Good questions. And it's all related to the ODM and OEM business. Sometimes we design the whole system on our own, and we present it to customers. And in some sense, we outsource the brand, right? So it's called an OEM business. But OEM business is a little bit different because sometimes they will design, they will give you a very detailed spec. All you have to do is to do the assembly and manufacturing. But sometimes the business model is a little bit hybrid. For example, when Apple presented their iMac, the first generation iMac to us, this is the only sketch we have.
That's the spec.
Everything here, and we want to have a Mac here, and we want to have a display here. So how can you do that? Of course, this is the original design from Apple, but there are many, many things, engineering things you have to resolve. How to find the right material.
Interesting, huh? All right, so what you see is a great example of somebody, low-end disruptor moving up the value chain. So you can apply this theory in lots and lots of different places, right? Whether it's in products or in ODM, OPM, OEM, right? So a lot of it. So when you first read the case, I'm guessing, this is pretty simple. It's all about bottom of the market and all that. You know what? Through the lenses of theory, it's actually very complicated things. So, all right, so that's enough of that. Let's see. Okay, so any questions?